If you've been waiting for a Nokia smartphone that's not only affordable, but also packed with jaw-dropping features, then your wait is finally over. Today, we're bringing you the ultimate smartphone that's set to redefine the budget segment, the Nokia Turbo Pro Plus 5G. This powerhouse comes with a 150-megapixel DSLR level camera, a 7500 mAh massive battery, and so much more. Stick around till the end of this video, because we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of Nokia Turbo Pro Plus 5G. Display. Starting with the display, this smartphone boasts a stunning 6.85-inch 2K Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling, every interaction feels ultra-responsive. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass 6 protection, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Yes, it's as premium as it sounds. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, the star of the show. The Nokia Turbo Pro Plus features a triple camera setup, with a primary 150-megapixel sensor that captures every detail like a pro DSLR. Alongside it, you get a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens and an 8-megapixel depth sensor for stunning portraits. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera that's ready to make your Instagram game stronger than ever. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring blazing fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and more. Whether you're playing graphic-intensive games or running multiple apps, this phone won't break a sweat. And guess what? It runs on the latest Android 15, offering a smooth and seamless user experience. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Turbo Pro Plus packs a massive 7500 mAh battery that will easily last you through the day, even with heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 90-watt fast charger will juice it up in no time. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging port for added convenience. Price and launch date. Now, the big question: how much will it cost? The Nokia Turbo Pro Plus is expected to be priced around $500, making it an absolute steal for the features it offers. And the best part, it's set to launch next month. So, mark your calendars and get ready to grab this incredible smartphone.